Karibu! Dive into stories that inspire, educate, and connect you to deeper knowledge every single day. Subscribe and like.
As the new Mugumo tree took root, the Kikuyu village regained its vibrant rhythm. The air carried the scent of fresh earth mixed with wild sage, a sign of renewal. Women in colourful shukas crafted intricate beadwork, their fingers dancing with each thread. Men shared tales of Kamau's bravery around the fire, voices harmonizing in tribute. Children played under the tree's watchful branches, their laughter blending with distant Kikuyu folk songs. Elders gathered beneath the tree, speaking of past and future with words of wisdom and gratitude. The Mugumo tree stood tall again, its leaves whispering tales of resilience. Kamau, though humble, felt his people's pride in every embrace and smile. In this sacred space, the community found strength, their spirits intertwined with the tree's roots, grounded in faith and unity. As Kamau tenderly placed the sapling into the earth, the cool mountain breeze whispered through his hair, carrying with it the scent of fresh soil and alpine air. His heart pulsed with a profound sense of fulfillment, each beat resonating with the echoes of his ancestors. The sun's golden rays embraced him, casting a warm glow over the landscape, a silent witness to this sacred act. Kamau closed his eyes, feeling the earth's pulse beneath his fingertips, a rhythm that matched his own. In this moment, the weight of his journey lifted, replaced by an overwhelming peace and the unity of his people and their deity, Ngai. He rose, letting out a breath he didn't know he had been holding, a soft smile gracing his lips. The young Mugumo tree stood resilient, its tender leaves fluttering gently. Here, on the peak of Mount Kenya, Kamau knew the bond between the Kikuyu people and Ngai had been renewed, a cycle of hope and resilience reborn. As Kamau descended the mountain, the landscape stretched before him, alive with vibrant colors. The crisp air invigorated him, each breath a reminder of the sacred duty he'd fulfilled. His weary steps felt lighter, as if the ground acknowledged his triumph. The distant calls of zebras and gazelles harmonized with his heartbeat, a symphony of nature's gratitude. With each footfall, the sun's warmth embraced him, a gentle nod from Ngai, affirming the bond renewed atop the sacred peak. Kamau's heart swelled with belonging and purpose, carrying not just the pride of his ancestors, but the hopes of future generations. The cool breeze whispered past, promising continuity, unity, and the enduring spirit of the Kikuyu. With Mount Kenya now behind, Kamau felt the village's heartbeat drawing him home, where stories of his journey awaited, ready to intertwine with the eternal dance of time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.